Aluminium blind rivets, also known as pop rivets or flange head rivets, are simple but effective fixings ideal for situations where you can't gain access to the rear of a panel as it's only accessible from one side. In this video, we'll be using the Sealey medium arm riveter with collection bowl. Firstly, choose the size and type of blind rivet you require. Now drill a hole in your workpiece just big enough to suit the blind rivet shaft diameter. Then simply slide the rivet's pin into the tool and pass the rivet through the workpiece. Now you're ready to squeeze the tool's handles to crimp the rivet, and once the rivet's fully compressed, its pin shears off and the job is complete. Blind rivets are available in a variety of sizes and colours to suit light and heavier duty requirements. For more videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.